Okay, so the modification has already been done to this one, but I'll show you where the connections are made. There's two spots on the board. One is at the up, down, left, right button. This one, it fell out, which sits right here. And the other one is underneath the tap button. You can activate the tap and the tuner, which corresponds to this button here. So what you can do, I only been using the up and down buttons. That's all I need to get to switch the presets. To do that, you have to connect 3 wires. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in total here. But these two are for left and right, and I'm not using them. So this is up, and this is down, and this is the ground. So if you connect any of those to the ground, it activates the switch. That's how these switches here work. So that's what you do. And then you also hook up a wire to the bottom right corner of this switch here for the tap tuner. So that's done. And you hook the wires around the side. Kind of be careful not to get in the way of anything. And then I used a 4-pin mini XLR plug. Drilled a hole in the housing, and first I installed it with a nut, but then it would be in the way of the board too much and it wouldn't quite fit, so I just pulled it out a bit and glued it in place for now. So that's it. Then the foot switch I made is this. There are 3 momentary switches, so they're not standard stomp box switches, but they're just, if you press them in, they connect, and if you let it go, it disconnects. So it's very simple on-off switch. Momentary switch, they're called. So there's 3 of them. Left, right, or sorry, up, down rather, to switch to the presets, and tap tuner. And there's your mini 4-point XLR. This is what it looks like on the inside. And then you just hook everything up with a little mini 4-point XLR cable, which I actually made, but you can just buy it off the internet. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so now everything's hooked up. See the pedal is hooked up with this little mini 4-point XLR cable to the pod. And to demonstrate it, I'll have to plug it in to start it. So unit starting up. Browse by user. Now this I'll have to just go through manually quick. Bank 1 is where I have my presets. And Seat Clean is my first preset. I don't know if you can see that. I'll go back quickly. So this is how it starts. Browse by user. Go to Bank 1. And go to Clean. And now with the up-down button, you can change the presets. Clean chorus, neck lead, bridge lead, etc. Right? And that I can do with these buttons here. Clean chorus, see? Scroll through presets. And back with the other button. And this is a tap, see? The light goes slower or faster, depending on how I tap. If you keep it pressed, activates the tuner. See? Hopefully you can see that okay. And you press it again, and it goes back to your presets. So there you go.